Today we have the next plane we are going to fly today is the VT Speedster Pro. The Pro version has a blunt bay here with the optional camera mount for FPV gear. We have not mounted any FPV gear today because we are doing the test flight, and to balance the plane properly we have put two 2200 mAh 3-cell LiPo batteries. So today I am going to tell you about the pre-flight checks on this plane, and then we shall launch the plane. The pre-flight checks on this VT Speedster Pro are the same as what we followed for the Speedster. The first thing we'll do is we'll connect the power here. You can use a Y cable to connect both the batteries in parallel, or you can also use a 5000 mAh 3-cell LiPo. So today I have just connected one cell here. And the first check that you need to do is that make sure when the sticks are in neutral position with the trims neutral, then the elevons should be at a slight up angle as defined by the gauge which is supplied with the kit. So both elevons should be slightly up as set by the gauge and at equal angles. If it is not, then you have to go back and adjust these linkages. You cannot use the trims, you should not use the trims to adjust these. So take your time and readjust, and then you come back. So after that we will make sure that when we give up elevator command, both elevons go up at the equal angle. When we give down, both go down at the equal angle. When we give left, the left goes up, right goes down. And when we give right, the right elevon goes up and the left goes down. One very important thing is to ensure that the control throw is the amount of deflection when the full stick command is given. So the maximum control throw should be as defined in the manual. So go back and check to make sure the control throws are correctly set up. Setting the correct amount of control throws will enable that your airplane does not stall or does not become unresponsive in flight. Okay, so after that is set up, we are going to do the most important check, which is the CG check here. The center of gravity of the Speedster Pro is the same as Speedster, and which is 180 millimeters from the leading edge at this point. So not from here, not from there, not from here, but exactly from where this wing panel finishes and this joint line is. So if you have installed the spar correctly, the spar would be at 180 millimeters. So let me check the CG here. Looks like the CG is correct. As you can see, I have put my fingers at the 180 mm line and the plane balances. If the CG is not correct, go back home and adjust, put in some lead weight here or reposition the battery till it is correct. After this, we'll check the motor. So what we check here is, first of all, the motor should be installed so that the writing on the motor faces the front. Always, whether it is a pusher or a puller motor, the writing on the prop should face the front. And then once we give full power, the motor should push forward. If it is not, then you need to reverse these, swap 2 wires here to get it right. So looks like everything is set, and let's do the launch. So to do the launch, we'll follow the same procedure as Speedster. We'll hold the wing so that 3 fingers are over this kit. The thumb is right here. We'll check the direction of the wind. So I will change my position here, and we will launch it with full power at a slight angle into the wind in a gentle way. So let's adjust our camera, and we'll be back with the launch in a couple of minutes.